Welcome to Edozzier tutorial. This is Edozzier school management system for a tertiary institution. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the admissions office. At the admissions office, we expect that there is an admission officer. So it helps to automate all the admission processes of the admission office. The admission area does that. Now, the admission officer would work from this office, this area, by the permission that has been set. Now, let's go to the setup. The setup shows all the academic settings that has been configured into the system by the academics office. The academics office do that. So going back to admissions, sorry for that. So at the faculties, you can see all the faculties that has been set by the academics office into the school system, all the departments that has been set by the academic office into the school system. You can see all the programs that are available, obtainable within the school system. You can see all the classes that has been created within for each program within the school system. And then the tags also shows the length of years that is available, or the length of the class levels that are available within a program. For example, the BSc program, bachelor's program may have 4 years, for an example. Now, for this one, this is just dummy data. We expect that this tag begins from 100 level and the ranking will be 1. So the ranking helps to send the student to the next level automatically once a school session is closed. That is what the rank works for. That's for the setup. You are able to see the current setup as made by the academic office. The next one is the front office. The front office is a very powerful feature that allows the school to receive applications, admission applications from the website or every other web links for admissions created by the school. Now, the front office shows the information of every applicant using the school website or every other links, like I said, to access the application form. Now, all the information enters there and shows the list of the applicants. For this applicant, we can see the name. The admission officer can see the name of the applicant, the progress of the applicant, the application progress of the applicant, the assessment score, if there were any, then can view the progress of the applicant. Now, for the applicant has 5% application progress. It means that the applicant has not been able to do a lot. So let's say the applicant has a personal information, education, no, referee, not done, credentials, not done, payment has been made. Now, if we see, we can check another applicant. If we check another applicant, we'll see that the percentage are varying. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, okay, we can see an applicant with 57%. It is automatically understood that this applicant has already done more, in entering some of the application data that is needed. The admission officer can always view and see why. And for a student that has 5%, the admission officer can decide to send a follow-up email or a follow-up call to know why the student has stopped at this place. The next thing is another option, which is called new student. The new student area allows an admission officer to enter a fresh student himself or herself. Now, the asterisk field are the compulsory fields that needs to be filled before a student can be added to the list. Now, matric number will be assigned to a student and the working email. The email allows a student to be able to activate their portal, reset their portal password and be able to access it and use. So we're going to do that now. To do that, I'll just go to the available student list and pick one of the students there, check his email address to be able to reset his portal. While that is happening, I'll go to the portal area. Now, to access the portal, the URL will be the base URL, which is from this school, demo.edozzier.app / if it were to be /student portal. If you're to be at the admin area, it's going to be /admin. Then I have copied the student. Okay, I'm going to reset the password. And after resetting the password, I'm going to enter the email address of the student I want to use, then send. This automatically sends an automated a reset password link to the student's area. I'm going to pause this video for me to click that and get it. My private information are contained in my mail. So I'm going to, okay, I've clicked the reset password button and I'm going to create a new password now. I'm going to create a new password now that will allow me to log in into the student area. So I've done this. I just go to the login area. What I need to do now is quickly fetch the student ID, which is 2113, 2113. I think it's 2000113. Then I put the pass, and and this student must have access to his dashboard. So I click the dashboard to confirm that I am there. So the student can see his information, his current GPA, his level and semester, the student ID, check if he's been paid, his paid his tuition, his course registration done, and other quick links like uploading documents. The student can upload documents here, academic documents and everything that is needed to be done. The student can also check resources. I'm going to take a different tutorial that we will use to explore this area very well. So the student can check the profile, change password, check documents that are currently available for him that he has already uploaded, either during application, that is just his documents. Then can do course registration here. Let's see if the student has any registration to do. Okay, course registration is closed. I'll treat that later. Can get results and every other thing. So let's return to this area. Now the fixed matric number, let's talk about that. Fixed matric number helps you to change a student matric number. There are a lot of reasons that can cause this. Either you're enrolling a student, old students that have an old matric number and you want to change it to a new one, you use this option, and a lot more. I will stop at this point for this tutorial.